Today's food for the soul. The Lord is there to rescue all who are discouraged and have given up hope. Psalm 34:18. In this video, I am going to teach you how to deposit money to Maybank iSave account in any branch of 7-Eleven convenience store. If you don't have an account yet, better to create one, but if you have, this is good for you. Please wait after a short intro. Disclaimer, not an expert, just sharing based on experience. How to deposit money by a 7-Eleven. Go to 7-Eleven, click Kiosk. In the click Kiosk, click E-Money. After that, hanapin po natin yung Maybank, select, and click Next. So, pag nakita natin yung iSave logo, i-click natin to. So, dito na natin i-input yung ating deposit code, yung ating mobile number, at yung amount na i-deposit natin. So, after po natin mailagay yung mga information needed, i-click lang natin ang Next. Again, enter your mobile number. And then, i-review lang natin yung details na in-input natin. Then, click Next. So, sa Kiosk, makikita yung ipiprint or instruction slip with barcode. And then, dalhin lang po natin yung printed na payment instruction slip sa cashier, kasama ng ating perang ide-deposit at yung convenience fee. Then, i-receive lang natin yung resibo from the cashier. So, alam ko may mga tanong po kayo. So, ito yung answer to possible questions na meron ka. So, saan po ba makukuha ang deposit code? So, kung meron ka na pong iSave account at hindi mo alam ang deposit code mo, you can call the hotline. And then, if you are planning to register or nag-register ka na, hintayin mo na lang po ang tawag ng bangko. So, yung deposit code and transaction code, the same ba? Deposit code serves as your transaction code. Transaction code must start with capital letter every time you do transaction via 7-Eleven. Paano ko naman malalaman kung successful yung deposit transaction ko? You will receive text or SMS notification from bank at resibo mula sa 7-Eleven for every successful transaction. Magkano naman per transaction? 500 is the minimum and 10,000 yung maximum amount per deposit transaction. May limit ba per day? Yes, up to 50,000 maximum total daily transaction lang po. May charge ba? If ever, magkano? Yes, there is charge, 25 pesos per transaction. Disregard kung 500 yan or 10,000. Basta 25 pesos per transaction up to 10,000 pesos.